How to fix Amazon Prime Video buffering problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Amazon Prime Video's buffering problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're having the buffering issue on Amazon Prime Video, all you have to do is first of all launch the Prime Video application here. Once you launch the Prime Video application, just go ahead and then log into one of your accounts over here, and once you log into one of your accounts, tap the profile icon from the top right, then again tap the gear icon from the top right. At the very top you'll find an option labeled as stream and download, so just tap on stream and download, and then here you can see streaming quality. So if you're having the issue of buffering, then I'll just recommend you set it to better or at least good, because best is going to require a lot of data and the highest quality and even the maximum Wi-Fi possible, and that's why you might face some buffering issues. So I'll just recommend you select better or good. If that doesn't help, what you want to do is long press the Prime Video app icon, tap the I button here, scroll down to the storage tab, click on clear cache, and once you've done that, also make sure that you have a strong and reliable internet connection. That is it for today's video on how you can fix Amazon Prime Video's buffering problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.